Healthy people. As a health and wellness enthusiast, I know how important it is to consume fresh fruits and vegetables. However, in today's fast-paced world, we often face challenges in keeping them fresh for longer periods of time. The good news is that with a few simple tricks, you can prolong the shelf life of your favorite veggies and reduce food waste. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 most common vegetables and the best ways to store them. By following these tips, you can extend their freshness by up to 2 weeks or more, saving you time and money. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell down below. First on our list are carrots. They are packed with nutrients and are a versatile ingredient in many dishes. To keep carrots fresh, remove the green tops and store them in a plastic bag with some moisture. This will keep them crisp for up to 2 weeks. Next up, we have broccoli. This nutritious vegetable is notorious for going bad quickly. To extend its shelf life, wrap the broccoli tightly in a damp paper towel and place it in a plastic bag in the fridge. This method can keep the broccoli fresh for up to a whole week. Third on our list is lettuce. This leafy green is a staple in many salads and sandwiches. To keep lettuce fresh, wash and dry it thoroughly, then wrap it in a paper towel and store it in an airtight container in the fridge. This method can keep lettuce fresh for up to 2 weeks. Moving on, we have onions. They are a flavor booster in many dishes, but their strong odor can be off-putting. To store onions, keep them in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated area away from other fruits and vegetables. This method can keep onions fresh for up to 2 whole months. Finally, we have potatoes. They are a staple in many households and are a great source of carbohydrates. To keep potatoes fresh, store them in a cool, dark, and dry place away from other fruits and vegetables. This method can keep potatoes fresh for up to 2 months. By following these simple tips, you can reduce food waste and keep your vegetables fresh for longer periods of time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below what other vegetables you'd like to see next. And before I go, always remember to live healthy, live happy, and know that you are appreciated. Until next time.